Hi there, you guys. It's Jenny with Planner Perfect here to bring you another Planner Perfect sub box reveal. Okay, welcome back, you guys. This is a really fun one because I consider it the Christmas box because that's what it is. So it's a Christmas box because it's filled with all of the lovely things for Christmas. And I know you guys have been waiting for this one. Tried to get it out to you as early as I could. Let's go. Welcome back. Here we are. Let's go ahead and dive into the box. I have things really set up for me so that it is easy for me, but note that when you do open up your box, you do have a protectant on all of your stuff, and you've got like a little canvas bag that covers up your book and your journal. So, but I did it this way so that I could easily show you the fun Christmas box here for December for all of your planning needs, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and remove the paper. And I'm going to kind of put these aside really quick. I'm going to dive right in first to the planners. These are the ones that do come. You get a card, and the books do come in a nice little canvas bag. So here is the journal and the theme for the Planner Perfect community, which is Believe. And so this is the journal that you will be journaling your heart in all December long, okay? And I thought she was beautiful. I thought she represented exactly what I wanted her to represent. And I love her, and I hope you do too. She is where you're going to be putting in all your desires. You're going to be strengthening your belief in what is wanted and what is desired for you, yourself, your country, everything. And so this is what we're going to be working on in the Planner Perfect community together on my Facebook group over in Planner Perfect. If you'd like to join, there will be a link down below. If you don't have a Facebook account, I get this all the time, join it just for our group. And hope you can join us because I go live every Thursday, beginning of first Thursday of every month. And then Lucy, I have an artist friend who goes in there every Thursday evening to journal with you in your books, following the theme of the month. And here we have the December cover. And I thought that it turned out really, really good. I like how they match. I would definitely wanted Christmas colors. I liked how we put 2020 on the door. I love the snow. I love the feel of it. And girls, I hope you love it too. This is what's going to be in your planning TN, what you're going to be planning in your Traveler's Notebook all holiday season. And I hope you love it as much as I loved painting it. So I used a mixture of watercolor and acrylics. I always do. I even use ink. So I use a lot of different mediums to get the job done, and I had a really fun time making this. On the back, I have the same thing on this one and I put our logo right there on the stoop. And then on this one, I've got this beautiful plaid. So when you turn your book over, you get to see this one again, and then you've got the plaid that just absolutely goes with it beautifully, complements it. So I hope that you girls love what you see here. So let's go ahead and continue on. The tip-ins now come with their pre-wrapped like this. And so let me show you, of course, what are in those. And of course, the tip-ins have been updated to be more shiny, beautiful than ever before. So you get 2 of each, 6 different designs to be able to tip into your planner and use them. You can use them for tags for Christmas presents if you want. Let's kind of put them some new and some last year, pulling from last year's artwork as well. Peace on Earth, I thought that was fitting. Fa La La, love this one. This one is a really good bestseller. It's beginning to look like a lot like Christmas, and this is one of our best-selling girls here. We've got the Nutcracker, and there we go. I hope you guys like the tip-ins too. How fun and beautiful are those? We've got the stickers. So we are pulling some from before because you only get them once a year, and then we add our new artwork as well. We changed it up a little bit. So you get 2 of these. And then here's the other one. Look at how pretty. Got the Nutcracker, Christmas trees, gingerbread. You've got the girl. You've got the other Santa that says believe on him. How cute is that? The washi. Here is the washi. The glitter one I had opened up. Let's see. But this is my artwork on the washi. Oh, actually, I opened up this one too. So you've got my lights, Santa, and red glitter. Who doesn't like that for the holidays? I know I do. That's why I chose it. And there you have it, girls, the Christmas. There you have it, girls, the Christmas box. I hope you love it.